morning, Harriet. Now, Harriet here is our female bar-pouch tree hornbill. And hornbills like her can be found in Asia. Now, in the wild, when the female hornbills nest, they would look for cavities in trees. Everyone, can you see that hut over there with the nest box? Yeah? Well, that nest box is similar to what we leave our hornbills to nest right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Alright, okay, I'll be coming a little closer. Thank you. Ooh. You can hear her, right? Yeah, that's the vocalization of a bar-pouch reed hornbill. Okay, Harriet, I need you to check up your nest box. Do you see that? She goes, oh, flying very close to you. And you have to make a little hop to the perch. Okay, she has gone right in already. That was really fast. Sorry about that, excuse me. So what happens is that later on, if she likes it, she will hop right into the nest, okay? Just like that. So what happens is that the female will then seal herself in, leaving only a small gap. They will use materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. That's right. Now, Harriet, if you like the nest, you can seal it up now. Oh, hello. That was fast. Are you still in there, Harriet? Oh, there she is. Everyone, let's turn around. It's time to welcome Alfred, the great pied hornbill. Okay, so these are two different species of hornbills, but the nesting behavior of hornbills are generally the same. The female stays inside the nest, and she will stay in there for 3, sometimes up to 4 months. And during this time, the male hornbill, he has to find food to feed the entire family. Right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have successfully bred oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these and using contributions from the Conservation Fund. We've released some of them into nature reserves and even right here in the park itself. When you're walking around the park, keep your eyes open for free-flying oriental pied hornbills. Alfred, it's time for you to show off your huge wingspan once again. Woody is here to call you. Here he comes, watch out! Oh. Eh? No, you're supposed to land on his hand. Here he comes again, Woody, watch out. There you go, our hornbill, ladies and gentlemen. Nice music, right? Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flights. If you want to volunteer, do remain in your seats. We have trainers making their way to your sections. We have Ashraf, Nick, and Mitra. Okay, so what's going to happen is that we're going to have some birds fly very close to you. In fact, the first one is already on my hand. Watch them later on as they fly past you, because this is how they will swoop through the branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. And remember, everyone, we can help save these beautiful birds by using less of everything. Even better, if we can reuse our things, buy second-hand or recycled products. Now this will reduce the need for making new things and clearing of these birds' habitats. Remember, all photographers to be seated. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Volunteers, keep your hook still and smile, okay? Patina, shall we go?
That's so beautiful.
Wonderful flying by Vega and Patina, everyone. Thank you. These two birds, they are both scarlet macaws, and I'm sure you can see they have nice, long, beautiful tails. Well, they also have powerful wing flaps and excellent eyesight. This allows them to be maneuverable in flight. We will be releasing the birds again, but this time from different ends of the stage. Okay, let's watch them cross each other's flight path somewhere about in the middle loop. Center volunteer, is he ready, Nick? Very good. Okay, Lynn, now we're all set. Ready, go! That was a fantastic cross. Thank you very much, Lynn with Patina.